space wherein, so go back, I don't know where we are going back, but go back in time and see who said something to you when you were about to eat prawns. Did you come from a Punjabi family? Prawns bante the ghar pe?
No, I am a Brahmin, so I think that could be the only thing.
I'm a Brahmin, okay, that makes a lot of stuff, religious stuff.
Like
Okay.
in our house, my brother and everyone eats non-veg. It's just that I haven't been very fond of non-vegetarian food. I used to love eating egg. That's all I used to eat as a kid. But other non-vegetarian stuff, no. Once I had tried mutton, but I didn't like the texture of it, so I didn't eat it.
Chicken?
But no. Now I've started eating a little bit of it. But yes, I think I got what it was. When I went to the restaurant and my friend said that try this, you will like it, you know. So for me, fish is or non-vegetarian food. If it smells, I can't eat.
Okay.
Okay. But the prawns, it did not smell, so I ate, and I actually loved prawns. You know, I really loved how they tasted. I really liked the texture, and they didn't smell. So I actually liked prawns. But then that allergy came up, and after that I've never dared to eat prawns.
Perfect.
And
Sure.
I thought that because right since childhood, whenever I used to eat pineapple or I used to drink rasna, my tonsils used to swell up.
Right, very good. You gave me a very good hit. Pineapple or?
Rasna.
Okay, so I want you to go back and see you having pineapple or rasna. And I want you to hear what your mom is saying. I want you to hear what other people are saying when you're having rasna or pineapple. I want you to get the smell. I want you to see their expressions. Anytime that you were stopped because you loved it. You loved rasna and you loved pineapple. You loved being with friends. But anything that you loved isn't allowed. Nothing that you love is allowed. Which means if you love a guy, you will not go anywhere near him. Or if you go near him, you make love, you'll get allergic. Yeah, there are women who get allergic to semen. And you can get rash all over your body. So just to tell you. So great, we work on one thing, we probably sort out a lot of shit over there. Her biggest belief is if I love something, I'm not allowed to have it. That was a big sigh of relief. Okay. I want you to just go and tell me the story around rasna and pineapples.
That's what I'm trying to figure out. There's like nobody stopped me from having
Okay, so
them.
I'm going to do a little bit of work here, which I generally would have done. What's the time like? Rasna.
12:45.
Rasna or pineapple? Which is better?
Pineapple, it's a fruit. I like pineapple.
Pineapple. Pineapple. I want all of you to tap around. Pineapple. On yourself, just like this. Please tap on yourself, man. Pineapple, we're going to do around 50 rounds, okay? Pineapple. Pineapple loudly, huh? So that we can work for her. Pineapple. 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 You'll be able to get all the sounds, all the smells, all the tastes, all the incidents around pineapple. 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 I love pineapple. 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 You'll be able to smell the pineapple. 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 Going back into your childhood. Pineapple. 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 The taste of it, you can have it. You can really taste it in your mouth. Very good. Excellent. You can taste it in your mouth. Very nice. Pineapple. Pineapple. Really taste it in your mouth. Pineapple. 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 Coming up. Pineapple. Pineapple.
To me, whenever I would be bought something that I like, you know, without any taunt that you know I am spending so much money because of you.
Yes.
I used to love it, you know, and I used to be very happy about
Who used to
it.
do that?
My foster mother, because it was always her sarcasm. Because I always treated her.
So she
like-
did try being nice sometimes also.
Yeah. So when she used to do
Can I
such
get her
things-
face expression? When she's nice to you.
Yeah.
Tonality when she's nice to you. You remember when she got you a pineapple?
Yeah.
Pineapple. 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 What does it mean to you when your mom, foster mom, is nice to you and getting you what you want?
She's accepted me. I belong to her.
I belong to her.
She loves me.
She loves me. Very good. And other times?
Other times, it's too difficult to please her.
Perfect. I want you to go around non-veg now. Okay? I want you to go around non-veg and see what was around non-veg that she did not approve of you having. Non-veg. Non-veg.
For her, it was always because they used to eat only egg, so that was okay. But other stuff
Perfect. She gave me the answer.
is
Yeah,
not.
that was not accepted.
No, she
She
gave me
wanted
the
to
answer.
belong.
She will only belong to her if she eats eggs.
Only eggs.
Only eggs.
Up to eggs is allowed.
If she
Up to
eats
eggs is allowed.
beyond that, it's not allowed. She's Brahmin.
But at,
मतलब
but,
जड़ में ही खत्म है।
but at that time I was in Bombay when I ate prawns. I mean,
That doesn't
I
matter
hadn't
where you are.
settled
Doesn't matter
in
where
my
you
mind.
are.
Up to, it
It's
doesn't
subconscious.
matter.
Till egg is fine.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Up till egg is fine.
Huh.
It's like
So
saying up
when-
till half sex is fine. Up till kissing is fine. Beyond that is not fine. Anything
So,
beyond that means I'm
The
finished.
day I ate prawns, I also had strawberries, which were
You talking
from
to us?
Mahabaleshwar. Yes. So I thought that the allergy was because of strawberries. So I didn't go to the doctor the very next day. But it was so bad. I was इतना allergy मुझे कभी नहीं हुआ. You know, I'm not able to speak. There was no sound coming out of my.
I want you to go back over there. I want you to go back and connect when you wanted to eat non-veg because your brother was eating. Maybe it was her look, the tonality, the sarcasm that she always used. Maybe she called you moti and said non-veg se aur moti ho jayegi. We don't know what's going on over there. Or maybe it was your interpretation.
The way she would talk about it, कैसे खाते हैं,
So give me that tone. कैसे खाते हैं? Very good.
जानवरा बनकर खाते हैं.
जानवरा वांगन खाते हैं. कितना खाते हैं?
So-
रेनू देख जानवरा वांगन खाते हैं. पता नहीं कितना खाते हैं.
So for me, if somebody eats chicken, mutton, that person becomes a beast. Is the belief that I got out of it.
Very good. Now
So which means when I ate prawns,
you became a beast
in my head.
in your head. You didn't give yourself permission to swallow it. Relief? Okay, what's a learning here for you? Not doing the full therapy, okay? We just needed to know what's going on.
The learning for me here is make my own beliefs.
What can you make your own belief here?
That eating non-veg doesn't make me a beast.
So eating non-veg makes
It's
you
okay. Eating non-veg is okay.
what? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Have you tested?
Sure.
Okay. Lunchtime.
Okay.
Let's do it. Let's bring it out. Thank you.